In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a Paperform form. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, you'll find that creating a form with Paperform is an intuitive and rewarding process. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to head over to paperform.co. Once you're there, look for the Create Form button and give it a click. You'll be presented with the choice of selecting a pre-designed template or starting completely from scratch. If you're new to this, templates can be a great way to understand what's possible and how different elements can work together, but starting from scratch lets you tailor everything to your specific needs from the get-go. Once your canvas is in front of you, it's time to start adding content. You can use the plus button to insert various elements like questions, text, and images. This button is your main hub for adding the building blocks to your form. Take the time to play around with these various options to see how they fit into your overall design concept. Remember, your form should not only gather information efficiently, but also be engaging and user-friendly. Now, while the content is important, the look and feel of your form should not be neglected. This is where customization comes into play. Navigate over to the Design tab. Here, you can adjust themes, fonts, and colors to match your branding or the tone of what you're trying to achieve. A pro tip here is to keep your fonts and colors consistent with what users would expect from your brand. This consistency helps in providing a seamless transition from your form to the rest of your digital presence. To add even more functionality and sophistication to your form, consider using Logic. Logic allows you to show or hide fields dynamically based on user responses. This can help streamline the user experience by only showing them questions that are relevant, thereby reducing clutter and keeping your form concise. Once you've set up your form, you'll want to see how it looks in action. Click on View to preview your form. This step is crucial as it gives you the opportunity to experience your form from the perspective of the user. Make sure everything looks just the way you intended, and that the logic you set up works smoothly. Finally, when you're satisfied with your design, it's time to share it with the world. Click on Share to generate a link that you can easily copy and distribute. If you have a website, consider embedding your form directly onto a page. This not only keeps visitors on your site, but also integrates the form naturally into your existing content. And there you have it. Creating a Paperform form is as simple and as customizable as you make it. Thanks for watching, and happy form making.